name is Romnick Diaban and this is my vlog for PE Physical Education. And ituturo ko lang naman kung ano yung mga ginagawa kong routine para ma-maintain ko ang magandang pangangatawan at healthy. And panoorin nyo, watch. Unang ginagawa ko ay nagpo-push up ako. Watch. Mga siguro 20. Kaya na, game. And pagkatapos nun ay magja-jumping tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. At yun. And sit-ups. Watch.